If you always find it difficult to remove background noises on your vocals, this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove vocals background noise using FL Studio. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. For that being said, let's dive into the video. So in my FL Studio, let me go ahead and play this song. Let's hear it without beats. So we can actually hear the background noises. It's too much for the mix. So what we actually need to do is for us to make sure we remove these noises so we can have a clear mix. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make this as a unique sample. So after that, I'm going to head over and go to editor. So there in my vocals editing, I can actually see everything about the vocal. So I'm going to copy where I know that there is noise. So let's just go ahead and play it. So we believe there will be a noise here because the majority of the thing that make this noise to pop up is the plugins we add into our mix. I make a video, my last video, how we can actually make some certain tricks, compress and other things on the FL Studio. So when I selected the noise aspect of the vocals, I'll head over and click here, and then when it pops out, I'm going to acquire noise profile. Once I acquire noise profile, if I click it here again, you can see the numbers of noises in the vocals. So what we need to do is I'm going to select every part of the vocals. I'm going to select every part of these vocals, and then I'm going to accept noise profile. So I'm going to accept it, and it's going to automatically extract all the noises from these vocals for me. So after that is being done, I'm going to drag this and replace it with this. So when that is done, let's go ahead and hear how it sounds again. So what we hear is that the noise is gone, but we are still having small which is not going to disturb. So what we need to do is for us to head over to our mixer, come here and load in this plugin called Fruity Limiter. When we load in the Fruity Limiter, we are going to play the vocals, and we are going to, so when we play the vocals, we can hear the noise. So I'm going to gate some part of the vocals. So I'm going to increase this here, bring this down. So when I bring it down, I bring it all down, and then release, I put it in. Then I'm going to bring this down, this threshold down till I know that the vocals is out of the noise is out of the vocals. Let's go out. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you know. Never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. As you can hear, the background noises is automatically out. So let's enjoy our beat with our mix with the, so we know if it's actually gone. Let's go ahead and hear this. Yeah, you know. Never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah. Say now you the ginger. Girl, you the boss. My brain, So I've automatically extract the noise from the vocals, and it is done in 2 clicks. So drop your comments in the comment section. How do you feel about the process? Is it hard? Is it simple? I would like to know in the comment section. And for that being said, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.